HORKOS' Bendless Machining Center Series. The NS70. The NJ50. Maintenance devices are all located in the front and back, eliminating the need for maintenance from the sides. Installation space requirements are less than half compared with the existing type. The bendless design prevents chips and cutting fluid from getting on critical parts of the machine during cutting. High-precision cutting can be maintained for long periods as heat produced by chips or cutting fluid has reduced effect. High rigidity is achieved by shortening the distance of power transmission from tool to work. Phase orientation error is kept to a minimum as the spindle motor and jig are installed on the same base. The bendless structure provides space saving, high precision, and high rigidity. The Bendless Machining Center Series NS70 and NJ50. The Composite Process Bendless Machining Center NS70 version L. Process integration was achieved by adding a lathe function to the NS70. Milling, drilling, turning, and a wide variety of other processes are possible with one chucking. A lathe function has been added to the bendless design, further increasing the productivity of the NS70 version L. The NJ35-5AX was granted a Machine Design Award. 5-axis simultaneous machining of impellers, turbine blades, and other parts is also possible. It is ideal for the high productivity machining of small parts. The NJ50 twin spindle provides improved productivity. Both spindles operate independently. NS70 Machining Station. The NS70 is equipped with a rack-type ATC capable of accommodating a greater number of specified tool capacity. The jig changer realizes prolonged unmanned operation. The gantry loader features a wireless design requiring no cable wear that could be the possible cause of breakdowns and inflexibility in equipment layout. Introduction of a shifting function reduces equipment height while allowing for incorporation into a production line with vertical machining centers. Space saving, high precision, and high rigidity achieved with a bendless structure. HORKOS' Bendless Machining Center Series.